Hi there. It was a blustery and in some places showery start to Friday with some thunderstorms across parts of southern England. That's all clearing away now, and actually it's an improving picture for the rest of the day. And indeed, as we head into the start of the weekend, there'll be plenty of fine weather out there. There'll be plenty of fine weather for many on Friday afternoon, especially through parts of the Midlands, northern England, southern Scotland. Elsewhere, rather a lot of cloud as this system clears from the southeast and further showers arrive into the north and west. Perhaps some longer spells of rain later in the afternoon for northern Scotland, along with a brisk breeze. But the winds generally easing during the afternoon. So for most, it's a fine, bright autumn afternoon. Now into the evening, we're going to see those winds continue to ease. The winds, though, are coming from the north, so they're bringing cold air, and that means the showers will be falling as snow over the Scottish mountains. And it also means that under any clear spells where the winds do ease, we'll see a frost overnight, with temperatures even in towns and cities in the south falling close to freezing, with 1 to 3 Celsius likely. And in many sheltered parts of the countryside, we'll see those temperatures dip below freezing. So a fairly widespread frost first thing. A few fog patches as well here and there. But there'll also be a fair amount of cloud, especially in the east, and some showers continuing to feed into northern Scotland, parts of the north of Northern Ireland, northwest England, West Wales, for example. So we'll see 1 or 2 showers first thing Armistice Day, but actually plenty of fine and bright weather, a chill out there first thing, but hardly any wind because we're in between areas of low pressure, one low clearing. The next low starting to arrive and sending a weather front in from the southwest, but this is a slow moving feature, so not really affecting most places until much later in the day. As we start things, plenty of sunny spells once any early mist and fog has cleared away. And the showers actually ease through the day as the gap between weather systems arrives. And so for many, light winds, plenty of sunny spells, it's a fine, crisp autumn day. We wouldn't rule out a continued shower or two for the north of Scotland, 1 or 2 elsewhere perhaps, but for the vast majority, it is a sunny afternoon. Light winds as well, making it feel pleasant enough with temperatures reaching 9 to 11 Celsius, a little below the seasonal average. However, down towards the southwest, the winds are picking up at this stage and the rain is arriving into the Scilly Isles and just approaching the far southwest of Cornwall. You see the high-level cloud approaching as well ahead of that across parts of the southwest and South Wales. This rain will slowly move into parts of Cornwall through the evening and overnight, some heavy bursts of rain and a strong wind as well blowing from the southeast. Elsewhere, we keep the clear skies, we keep the light winds, and so a fairly widespread frost across Scotland, northern and eastern England, the Midlands, North Wales and Northern Ireland, as well as some mist and fog to wake up to. In places, some dense fog around, in fact, on Remembrance Sunday. Now, that fog will take some time to lift as opposed to Saturday, and in fact, it will stay grey for much of the day for Northern Ireland, central and southwestern, as well as parts of Wales. Increasingly cloudy for the southeast of England, although very little rain here, and plenty of bright weather for Scotland, northeast England, for example, with the sunshine holding on. But elsewhere, it's turning increasingly unsettled. The early damp weather pushed aside by heavier and more persistent rain arriving into the afternoon, along with a strengthening wind. So that's going to make it feel a bit more unpleasant, I should imagine. But actually, temperatures are turning higher because of the more unsettled weather arriving from the Atlantic. It's another cool, crisp day, meanwhile, for Scotland, for parts of northeast England, and perhaps into East Anglia. Nevertheless, the weather turns increasingly unsettled at times through the start of next week, but before all that happens, at least a fine weekend for many.